MPOW Reviews here to do a first for the channel, a head-to-head. The MPOW H5 active noise cancellation headphones versus the TaoTronics BH-060s. Let's do it. So you're looking for a sub $100 active noise cancellation headphone? Well, again, you're in the right place here on G-Reviews. Today we're going to be going ahead and take a look at the TaoTronics BH-060s, the most up-to-date, upgraded one they have, and also the MPOW H5s. So the first category we're going to go into is aesthetics. And what do I think about the two? So on your left, we've got the MPOW H5s, and on your right, we've got the TaoTronics BH-060s. Now, aesthetics are always kind of your own opinion, right? It can be very opinionated. Personally, I would prefer the look of the TaoTronics BH-060s, only because, to me, when they're on your head, I really couldn't tell them apart from a certain pair of, oh, I don't know, Bose Quiet Comfort 35 headphones. They look great. I think the actual TaoTronics logo is very subtle, and they have a more premium feel also. They have a little bit more padding on the top, and also the ear cups themselves are much more padded than the MPOWs. Also, I mean, the switches themselves are basically the same on both. Again, we're going to switch over to the MPOWs. Again, on your head, they do sit a little flatter on your head itself than the TaoTronics. They're a little bit less bulky. However, I just think that the mechanism to adjust it is not as high quality. This is more of a substantial click, I think, than the MPOWs. And frankly, I just think the ear cup design itself just looks a little bit better. But these, it's a matte finish. This is a gloss, and I think that detracts from the points on the MPOW. So I'm going to give the aesthetics to the TaoTronics. Next category is sound quality, and what do I think about the two? So again, it's a mixed bag. So both sound pretty good. Actually, this sounds quite a bit better when they are not on active noise cancellation. So again, TaoTronics, no noise cancellation sounds better. With the MPOWs, with the noise cancellation turned on, sounds better. Why? I don't know. I don't know why there's such a big difference in the sound quality for noise cancellation turned on and turned off. The difference is less so on the MPOWs. They sound okay with the noise cancellation turned off. When they turn them on, the bass is better, the highs are better, the mids are about the same, doesn't really matter. On the TaoTronics though, with the noise cancellation turned off, they do sound very good. They sound great, as a matter of fact. When you turn noise cancellation on, they sound like crap. They sound terrible. So, I mean, it sounds like you're talking like this. I don't know. Like, it sounds like you're underwater or something like that with the TaoTronics. However, even with the noise cancellation turned off, these do, I think, sound better. They have a little bit more bass, and I like bass, than the MPOWs. Next category is the active noise cancellation. Which one do I think is better? By leaps and bounds, the TaoTronics. Now, with the noise cancellation turned off, these actually are very good, even passive. Because again, I think that the ear cup design is just somehow better. Also, these are thicker, so maybe that might have something to do, like the actual ear cup themselves is substantially thicker on the TaoTronics. But as soon as you turn that noise cancellation on, it's kind of a mixed bag again. If you turn it on, it's very good noise cancellation. However, if you're listening to music, the music doesn't sound very good coming out of the TaoTronics. Complete opposite with these MPOWs. So there's no noise cancellation, hardly at all with it turned off. They're not very good passive. Active, they're also not very good either. They really don't cancel noise really hardly at all, even with the noise cancellation turned on. So these are just good sounding headphones. Don't even think about them using them on an airplane. They're just not going to cut it. These sound great without the noise cancellation turned on, but as soon as you do turn it on, they're very good at canceling noise, but the music's not great. So again, I would say the active noise cancellation is kind of it's a tie kind of, but for different reasons. These are still the best noise cancellation, but it makes the music sound like crap. These noise cancellation just don't really work that well at all. Next category is accessories, and the TaoTronics wins just because it is. It's a hard case. You can throw it in the backpack, you can throw it in the bag, whatever you're gonna do. Your headphones are not gonna get smushed. They're not gonna get crushed. With the MPOWs, you get this flimsy little case, this little sack, and again, you can't just throw it around like this nice case. Again, otherwise they both come with micro USBs, and also you get the little 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So frankly, again, TaoTronics wins the accessories category. So overall winner comes out to be the TaoTronics by quite a margin. I think they look better. They sound very good. The only category that the MPOWs do very well in is the sound category. They do sound good with both noise cancellation turned on and off. They do sound good. Noise cancellation, again, it's kind of a tie, like I said, for different reasons. But again, I'm still going to give it to the TaoTronics only because, again, the noise cancellation is definitely better. And then accessories also goes to the TaoTronics as well, mainly for that hard case. So again, sub $100 active noise cancellation headphones. I definitely give it to the TaoTronics BH-060s. Thanks for watching, guys. Scott with G Reviews. Please like, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.